want to be really clear for you, dear Aquarius. Recalibrating is something that you do every single day of your life. And where you don't put in the time, the energy, and give space to recalibrating, you create knots in your mind, in your body, in your system. I don't know what these knots are or what they become, because I don't know that we need to go there at this stage. However, recalibrating your system every single day looks like quiet time. So you create time that is quiet just for you. Quiet in solitude is very important. Recalibrating your system every day is practicing present moment awareness. Whether you love it or not is a different story. And that looks like feeling sensations in the inner energy field of the body. Recalibrating your system every day is respecting rest and unplugging from the urgency of everything and everybody, right? The phone's ringing, it's urgency. I better pick up the phone whilst I'm in the midst of taking the time to relax. You know those days in your life where, let's just say you've gone out, you've done shopping or whatever it is that you've done, you've come home, and I can relate to this very much, and it's something I'm practicing myself, which is why I'm able to share it this way. You come home and I'll use myself as an example. I come home from being out and the first thought is, oh shit, the horoscopes, they need to get out because people are waiting for them. I'm starving, I'm exhausted, I'm so tired, but I got to get these horoscopes out. So what I'm saying to myself in that moment, hey, you don't matter, everybody else does, and there's more urgency. No, stop. Everybody else can wait. The horoscopes can wait, the world can wait. What does my nervous system need in this moment? It needs to be okay to feel tired. It needs to be okay to feel exhausted, and it needs quiet time to be in that exhaustion, to be in that tired, for that tiredness and that exhaustion to move through my body. And sometimes that tiredness and exhaustion takes 10 minutes of just quiet sitting. Sometimes it takes half a day for it to move through the body. You don't choose that part. And I'm using this as an example just to help you hopefully understand that more than anything that is important for you in your life is making sure that you take the time every single day to recalibrate.